Hello there and welcome to this video. My name is Ruth Power and I do the social media for TopMusic. But I also run my own website called pianopicnic.com where I create courses for people to learn how to play piano online. I also do some live streaming lessons as well. So I've been using cameras and microphones for probably about 14 years and I've sort of gathered quite a lot of gear along the way. Today's video I wanted to show you exactly what my setup is at the moment so that you just have an idea of some other options. I'm going to take the camera in a second and put it on this thing here, which is a Joby Gorilla Pod. A really handy little pod that can move about and pretty much attach itself to anything. I'm going to take the camera on this in a second and show you my setup close up. But first I want to show you what the finished product of my lessons and my courses generally look like, with some exceptions, but we're going to take a look at that now, so keep watching.
And here we are. This is what my lessons generally look like. I've got the top-down cam on the piano where I can, play something there, and also I've got my little camera on my face so that I can talk to people while I'm teaching. So this is what the finished product looks like. There's a few little handy things that I want to show you as well while we're here. I can move this around so that it's so that's not in the way, and if I'm moving closer to the camera I can move it over here, I can move it back. Quite handy. So I'm going to grab my camera now so I can show you exactly the gear that I'm using to get this set up.
So the first thing I wanted to show you is the lights that I have. These I picked up really cheaply just off Amazon, and I got a pair of them. As you can see the name there, I got two of them for I think about $150 New Zealand. And they just clasped onto the boom stand here, which I purchased separately. It's a little tripod. And these are really great because you can adjust the brightness, but you can also adjust whether the light is cool or warm, right? So that's quite cool. You can adjust the lighting quite a lot. And having one on each side means that I can have lighting on my face and lighting on the piano as well. The second thing that I want to draw attention to is the webcam. Now this is what I use to get the top-down camera angle. So you can see there, it's a Logie C922 or something like that. I'll check that later. But this gives a really crystal clear image, and it's nice and light and easy to attach to a boom arm so that I can get that top-down camera angle and I don't have to move it about too much. The next thing is this boom stand arm for the microphone. It's sort of a weird one. It's not a normal microphone stand, but it allows me to be able to attach it to the side of the piano. See, it's attached to the stand, and that means I can move it up and down as you saw before and keep it out of the way of the piano. Okay, this is another thing that I use. This is called a Focusrite. It's a Focusrite Scarlett. It's an audio interface that I use to plug in my microphone and also my piano lead. Now the reason I do this is so that I can feed my audio straight into my laptop and it gets a clearer sound, and that means I can use a professional microphone as well. And so this has the audio goes in the front. I can set the levels. I can put my headphones in here as well. And on the back it has a USB connectivity, so that goes straight into my laptop. So that is what's taking the audio from my piano and from my microphone straight into the laptop so that I can have a really nice clear sound when I'm streaming and also when I'm recording course material. So this is the view of my laptop from beside my piano. I can see exactly what that what the camera is doing, and I can also check my levels from my audio as well. So this allows me to basically stream with this quality of footage and audio, which is really great because I hate streaming with a really crappy image. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little look at my tech setup here, and if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments. I will try to list the exact gear list that I'm using in the description below, just in case you're interested. See you!
Hey guys, if you enjoyed today's video, then please make sure you click to subscribe. And if you're a music teacher looking for help with any aspect of your teaching studio or business, then make sure you check out TopMusicPro.com for all our membership details.